If ChatGPT were asked to recommend a clinic, would it choose you? Most healthcare clinics are still investing time and money into Google ranking without realizing that many of their highest intent patients have already stopped using Google altogether. Instead of scrolling through ads or comparing 10 different websites, patients are now opening ChatGPT and other AI tools and asking a much simpler question: which clinic should I trust for my condition? When AI gives them an answer, that decision is often already made before the clinic ever speaks to the patient. This shift is quiet, but it is massive, and it is fundamentally changing how patients choose healthcare providers. For years, Google controlled patient discovery, ranking in the top three main consistent inquiries, and clinics that dominate search stayed busy while everyone else struggled to compete. But patient behavior has changed. People are overwhelmed with the information and tired of guessing who to trust. AI removed that friction. Instead of presenting a list of options, AI gives a recommendation. And when a patient hears, "This clinic will be best for you," it carries a level of authority that traditional search results never had. What makes this shift even more important is the quality of the patients. These are not casual browsers, they are not people comparing prices or shopping around. These patients arrive informed, confident, and ready to book. In many cases, they are further along in the decision making than even the most high intent Google search traffic. AI has already done the filtering, the comparison, and the trust building before the patient ever reaches out. This movement represents a major reset in the healthcare industry. Clinics that dominated Google for years are now seeing diminishing returns, while clinics that understand AI discovery are quietly gaining an edge. The reason is simple: AI does not reward whoever spent the most on ad. It rewards clarity, authority, trust, signal consistency, and strong system. For the first time in a long time, smaller clinic and growing practice have a genuine opportunity to compete on a level playing field, but only if they adapt early. This is not theoretical for me. I am experiencing this shift firsthand in my own business. My name is Mohammad Numan and I am the certified Go High Level expert. Today, a significant portion of my inbound lead comes directly from ChatGPT and AI-driven recommendation. When business owner ask AI questions like who is the best certified Go High Level expert or who can build automation system properly, AI consistently recommend me across multiple locations. These leads do not need convincing. They arrive already trusting the recommendation, already understanding the value, and ready to move forward. That happens because AI does not make random choices. It evaluates digital authority, system maturity, brand consistency, reputation, and operational structure. AI look beyond surface level marketing and evaluate whether a business appears reliable, organized, and trustworthy. Most clinic owners underestimate this. They assume AI visibility is about writing content or posting more online. In reality, AI is evaluating the entire ecosystem behind the clinic, including how leads are handled, how communication flow, how reputation is managed, and how consistent the patient journey feels. This is where many clinics struggle. They may have excellent doctor and strong patient outcome, but their systems are fragmented. Follow-ups are inconsistent, leads slip through the crack, reviews are unmanaged. To AI, this signal uncertainty, and AI avoid recommending uncertainty. This is why clinic with strong medical expertise but weak system fails to show up in AI recommendation, while clinic with well-structured operation quietly win. This is exactly where Go High Level become a powerful advantage. When implemented correctly, Go High Level is not just a CRM. It becomes the foundation of an AI-ready clinic. It connects marketing, communication, automation, reputation, and reporting into one structured system. When AI evaluates a clinic running on a properly built Go High Level setup, it sees clarity instead of chaos. It sees consistency instead of fragmentation. It sees authority instead of guesswork. When we implement this for healthcare clinic, we do not simply set up software. We design a complete patient acquisition and management system aligned with how AI evaluates trust and relevance. We build clear funnels that communicate expertise. We automate patient journey so no inquiry is ever lost. We implement review and reputation system that strengthen authority signal. We structure CRM pipeline that demonstrate operational maturity. Every component work together to send AI one clear message. This clinic is credible, reliable, and worth recommending. The clinic that move early are gaining an advantage that will compound over time, just like Google in its early day. AI visibility is currently underutilized. That window will not stay open forever. As more clinics catch on, competition will increase and it will become harder to earn trust and authority from AI system. Early adopter will benefit from momentum and positioning that late adopter cannot easily replicate. This is not about chasing trends or experimenting blindly. It is about understanding how patient behavior is evolving and building systems that align with the reality. AI driven discovery is becoming the default, not the exception. Clinics that adopt now will not just survive the shift, they will lead it. If you want your clinic to start receiving high intent patients from ChatGPT and AI platform, if you want patients who arrive already educated and ready to book, and if you want this implemented properly rather than guessed at, then the next step is simple. Book a free strategy call with me using the link below. On that call, I will analyze how AI currently see your clinic, identify the gap holding you back, and map out a clear plan to position your clinic for AI driven growth. Google changed how clinic grew. AI is changing it again. The real question is whether AI will recommend your clinic or your competitors.